Hey babies, this is a product review for Hall's cough drops. I've been using them since I was a little girl and I'm continuing to use them. I receive health and wellness over the counter products from Medicare, and I pick these up when I have colds and stuff. Sometimes just to have colds, sometimes just to get that little tickling in my throat out. So I've never had any negative interaction. If you've had interactions with Halls, whether positive or negatives, please let us know. Until next time, I'll see you later.